Hey guys, that last series of clips was clearly of the band HUNNY. It was a compilation of videos from 2014 to 2016 of concert footage where they've performed for web series. The first one was from Deep Cuts and the second one was from Rooftop LA, I believe. And then the videos in the middle were just of concerts that I found. Back to the band, HUNNY. They're vegan friendly, first of all. I discovered them back in July and instantly I was in love with them. I was shocked that they only had about 200,000 listeners, monthly listeners on Spotify, because I thought they were amazing. All of their songs were super upbeat and fun, something you can dance to, something that just really makes you happy. And I don't know, I was just so shocked that not many people really knew who they were. They are now California based. A song that I put to the series of clips was called Vowels. It's one of their singles on Spotify. They have several singles. Some of them are like EP styled where they have 5 or 6 songs on them. Their original music, actually I've heard some of their songs from 2015 and it was almost like alt-rock, like alternative rock type of music in my opinion. Like nothing compared to the happy upbeat. So their sound has evolved so much since they first became a band. So the band was originally formed, to my knowledge, in New York and they've moved to LA. There are 6 members. Here's a little video montage of the members from various photo shoots from 2014 to 2016. There are 6 members in the band. There's Jason Yarger, he's the vocalist and lead guitarist. There's Jake Goldenstein and Jake Monk. They are both guitarists. There's Greg Horn, who's a bassist. Their keyboardist, Kevin, I will put his last name up here because I cannot pronounce that for the life of me. And there's Joey Anderson, their drummer. I'm really sorry this video was not the best. I'm trying to work out what I want to include about each artist in the video. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. Comment down below anything that you want. If you want to, please give me some things that you'd like me to include next time on future artists, or just criticism on how to make these videos better. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.